The concatenate function will take the data from this cell and then combine it into one cell, which is cool, but this function is hiding a dark secret. We'll get to that later. Welcome to the world's quickest concatenate function tutorial. As always, we're going to start by clicking on the cell that you want the value to appear in. Go ahead and type equals concatenate with an open parentheses. Now the next step is ultra important. You're going to need to click the like button on this video, followed by the subscribe button. Trust me, it's important. I'm a new channel. For the love of God, help me out. Back to Excel. Once we have our open parentheses, we need to click on the first value that we want merged. Once that is highlighted, we can type a comma, and that lets Excel know that it's time for value number 2. From here, you can click to your heart's content. As long as your heart's content separates each value with a comma, is less than 255 cells, and is less than 8,192 characters long. That's not a joke. I googled the concatenate limit. When you are done, go ahead and close the parentheses, click enter, and bam, your cells are merged. The concatenate function is definitely cool, but did you know that it's actually outdated and has been replaced with a newer and improved function? Click on this video to learn all about that.